Hello GMAT Janta. Welcome to GMAT Shorts 3. Thank you for liking our series and helping us to grow more. Let's talk about possessive pronoun today. So before moving ahead, let us talk about pronoun. What is a pronoun? It is a word that is used in place of a noun or a noun phrase. Now guys, coming to possessive pronoun. One of the major asked question among GMAT aspirants is, can a pronoun refer to a possessive noun? Now, is the answer yes or no? Let's deal with it. The answer is yes. Definitely, a pronoun can refer to a possessive noun. But there is just one rule. And the rule says that the pronoun must be a possessive pronoun, but not an object pronoun. Now, what is possessive pronoun and what is object pronoun? Let us go ahead and understand with an example. Ram's mother always scolded him for his dirty room. Now, what are the pronouns over here? Of course, him and his. What they are trying to refer to? Of course, we have only one male noun and that is Ram's. Now, as per the rule, we can only use possessive pronouns for the possessive noun Ram's. So, we need to know whether him and his are possessive pronouns or object pronoun. How to check? Let's go ahead and understand. Simply ask yourself, what is this him used for? Ram or Rams? Replace this him with Ram and read the sentence. So it becomes, Ram's mother always scolded Ram for his dirty room. Seems absolutely fine. So this is correct. Now replace it with Ram's. Ram's mother always scolded Ram's for his dirty room. Now this does not seem fine at all. Clearly, him is used for Ram but not Ram's. So him is used for object noun, not for possessive noun. But what we have in the sentence is possessive noun. So this particular him is wrong because this is used for object noun, not for possessive noun. Now let's check the second one, which is his. Now his again is used for Ram or Ram's. Replace it and check. Ram's mother always scolded him for Ram's dirty room. Now clearly here Ram does not sound good, and of course Ram's does. Check. Ram's mother always scolded him for Ram's dirty room. Now this Ram's over here is correct. Now this his is used for Ram's but not Ram. Hence his is used for possessive noun but not the object noun. So this his refers to the correct possessive noun and that is Ram's. So this his is actually correct. I hope you got the difference between the possessive pronoun and object pronoun. If it is replacing the noun, then it is object pronoun. And if it is replacing the noun apostrophe s, then it is the possessive pronoun. For example, her room. So this is going to be x apostrophe s room. So here this her is possessive pronoun. He met Ram. Now this he is used for x, not x apostrophe s. So this is object noun. So this sentence is definitely wrong and the correct sentence would be, Ram's mother always scolded Ram for his dirty room, because this was fine but this him was wrong over here. Now if you have got this concept, move ahead and understand this concept with the help of some GMAT questions. So the question says, created in 1731, Anders Celsius original thermometer had a scale where the value of 0 corresponded to the boiling point of water, semicolon. After he died in 1744, the scale was reversed to its present form. Now, as soon as you spot a possessive noun, be careful, he is definitely going to play the game of possessive pronoun and object pronoun. Let's check. Do I have a pronoun over here? Yes, he. I know that I have the possessive noun. So, wherever the pronoun comes, should be used for x apostrophe s, but not x. So, this he is used for Anders Celsius or Anders Celsius apostrophe s. Let's check. After x died or after x apostrophe s died? Clearly, it has to be after x died. So, here it has been used for Anders Celsius. Hence, this is a wrong structure. You cannot have object pronoun for the possessive noun. Let's see the options, which can be eliminated because of this concept. But before that, what is going to be the correct one? Of course, it cannot be he died. It has to be his death. Now, if you will try to replace it with Ender Celsius or Ender Celsius apostrophe, you'll get to know that it is going to be X apostrophe S death, not the X death. So, his death would be correct and he died would be wrong. Let's go to the options. Option A, use he, and hence is definitely wrong, can be striked away. Option C, use he died, again wrong, can be discarded. Now I'm left with option Bombay, Delhi and E, elephant. Let's check further. Now this E option has a where over here. Now I know that where is used for geographical places, not for the non-geographical locations. Better structure over here is in which, because it is about the scale. It is about a particular object. To use in which, not where. Where is used for geographical locations. So E is also discarded. Now I'm left with option B and option D. Now I have a semicolon. What is the rule for the semicolon? Both the sides of the semicolon must have an independent clause. But in option B, we do not have an independent clause. It's just a verb ing modifier. It should be separated by a comma, not by a semicolon. So option D is also wrong and the correct answer is option B. It makes this correction in the initial sentence, his death, and makes it a possessive pronoun and also keeps in which over here, and hence the sentence is absolutely fine and is the correct answer. Guys, remember, whenever you spot a possessive noun, be careful. He is definitely going to play the game of object noun and object pronoun. Let's have a look at one more example. So here we have the sentence. Although Malay's theatrical play Tartuffe was condemned by his contemporaries, he is now considered the writer of one of the most famous French plays of all time. Again guys, I spot a possessive noun, Malay's. Now of course, he is going to play the game over object pronoun and possessive pronoun. Let's see. So what pronouns I have over here? His and he. Of course the noun Malay's. Let us use what they are used for. Malaya or Malayas. Now, although Malay's statistical play Tartuffe was condemned by Malayan contemporaries or Malay's contemporaries. Of course it has to be X apostrophe S contemporaries, not X contemporaries. So here I have the possessive pronoun and it's absolutely fine. But what about this he? He is now. Mulayal is now or Mulayas is now. Of course it is about the X is now, not X apostrophe S. So guys, over here, the first one is of course correct, but the second one is definitely wrong. It is not the possessive usage, but it is the object usage. Let's go ahead and have a look at the options. The option A uses he and hence is definitely wrong. Cannot be there as an object pronoun. Option C does the same mistake and of course is wrong. Now you're left with option B, D and E. Option D has considered to be. Remember, consider does not take any word. It is simple considered X, Y. Not considered X as Y, considered X to Y or considered X to be Y. So D can also be discarded. Now option B and E does a huge mistake. It makes the play only the subject. It says, although Mulay's statistical play Tartuffe condemned him. The play does not condemn anyone. The play was condemned by someone. So this is of course wrong. And the correct answer is option B, which makes the initial error of possessive pronoun correct and uses it over here rather than using an object pronoun for the possessive noun. Hope you got the concept of possessive pronoun, how it can be used. Be careful, as soon as you spot a possessive noun, the pronoun is definitely going to be there. You just need to check, is it possessive? Correct. If it is object, wrong. Keep enjoying, keep learning. More GMAT shorts will be coming soon. Stay tuned and do subscribe our channel if you haven't till now, because we are coming up with beautiful concepts free of cost. Thank you and have a nice day. Mission MBA, a place where learning is fun and absolutely affordable.